some steps which we can take in our daily lives which will help us in this process. The first step which we can take towards this is start by ourselves. Right now, when we step out into this world, we are facing a lot of judgment, ridicule, people are blaming us, and there is a constant competition going around. What happens is we enter into a vicious cycle. He shouted at me, I am going to shout back at him. He blamed me, I am going to blame him. And it is almost impossible to get out of that. If we want to have respect of people, we have to start by ourselves. We have to take the initiative and start giving respect to other people. Let's break this chain and make it a point that no matter what the other person is, I will take a positive step onwards and give respect from my side. When we think about it, respect is a very natural feeling. We understand this emotion, we know we require it, and we know other people will also appreciate it. But then what stops us? Why is it so difficult to give this emotion to other people? Friends, we have become judgmental in nature. We start judging people very quickly. Right from the first interaction, we create an image of a person in our mind. We forget the background he is coming from, the life he is having, and we put people into boxes. And all our future interactions are driven through that lens which we have already created. And it hampers everything. It hampers the quality of the relationship which we have with the other person. Oh, he is a dumb person. Once we have this mindset towards a person, we will never be able to see the wisdom of that person. Let's be patient. Let's give time to people. Let's not judge people so quickly. Mistakes are bound to happen. Friends, from my personal experience, I can tell you, giving time to people gives wonderful results. I was working with a colleague in my previous company, and when the first time I interacted with him, I created an impression that he is a careless person. But I consciously followed a process and said, I am not going to judge him. Over a period of time, he developed a positive attitude towards me. And I could see that even though he is careless, whatever half an hour he is spending on his work is of great quality. Friends, I want you to look at these two pages. Have a look. And now, have a look at this sheet. When we look at this sheet, it is almost impossible to take the focus away from the black spot. But when we look at the sheet, all we can see is whiteness. It's a natural human tendency to look at the negative points first. And it's impossible to take our attention away from that. Friends, we have to follow a conscious process of looking at the positives of the people. And it has to be done. If your attention is on this black spot, you will never realize that 90% of the sheet is still white. And this will never allow you to see the virtues of other persons. I urge you to give time, respect and patience to people, and you will see that being a human being, we are all blessed with wonderful virtues. And they come across to us over a period of time. Another important step which we can take is listening. My friend Asim already pointed out about it. Listening is one of the great signs of respect you will give to anyone. When you listen to a person, what you are telling to that person is, I value you. I respect your ideas. I respect your identity. People who listen to others gravitate other people like anything. And I have seen in my life, good listeners are amazingly successful and they deserve it. Fortunately, I am a part of a project where I take 1 to 1.5 hours of calls daily, and that has turned me into a very good listener. I think Tarun will agree. If you want to develop virtues of patience, tolerance and wisdom and listening, attend calls. Whenever a person comes to me, how can I improve my listening quickly? I say attend calls. This has been a remarkable shift in my life. Since I started attending calls, my listening has improved greatly. Jokes apart, listening is a great virtue to develop, and it is a great sign of respect which you can give to other people. Friends, have you ever realized that this Toastmaster meeting which we have is a live example of how to give respect to people? Why is it that we all feel confident enough that okay, I can go to this meeting, I can expose myself, I can do mistakes, and still people will accept me? Because we know that people sitting in front of us are not being judgmental. They are going to give me due respect. All of you have listened to me, you have given more than 5 minutes of your life to me, and that's a huge respect. We don't get it on a daily basis. If we can copy this interaction which we have in this meeting to all the interactions of our life, you will get amazing results. I urge you to think about what I have shared with you, and I promise you, not only will you give respect, but you will get all the respect back in your life in abundance. With this promise, I hand it over to Mr. Toastmaster.
Thank you for this eye-opening speech. So, moving ahead,